Hi, this is Parul Dwivedi. I am doing my PhD from HBTU Kanpur under the guidance of A.K. Rathore sir. Here I am going to represent my idea of plastic waste reprocessing. So let's begin with the problem. We have we all may know that there is a huge plastic waste dumped in our landfill, and it is very harmful for the environment as it is not easily biodegradable. It takes more than 100 years to degrade. And if we see the data, then only Delhi creates 690 tons of the plastic waste daily, and if we talk about whole India, then 3.5 million tons of the plastic waste generated annually, which means we have huge problem of the plastic. So what are our solution? So let's talk about the solution. What we will be doing, we will be converting this plastic waste to carbon nanomaterials, carbon nanotubes. It is a basically tube form of carbon structures arranged in a tubular form. These are two types of the carbon nanotubes. One is single walled and one is multi walled. So we, because these carbon nanotubes have only carbon structure, it is really difficult to disperse in some solvent. So we will be oxidizing these carbon nanotubes so that some oxidized group attach in its outer layer, and it will be easy to disperse. If we talk about the application, carbon nanotubes have so many application as it has very good properties. It is 400 times good mechanical strength than steel. It is very light. Its density is 1/6 of the steel. If we talk about its thermal conductivity, it is superior to the diamond. So you can think how much conductive this material is. They are incredibly thin, which is uh, its aspect ratio is more than 1000. They are chemically stable. They have so many properties. So we will be using one of its properties, and we have done some experiments regarding it. We have used this carbon nanotubes, converted it to the oxidized form, and coated in a cotton and cotton fabric. So this cotton, you can see, this is hydrophilic in nature. After coating, it became hydrophobic, which enhances its properties, and it was useful for the separation of oil water, dyed water. After separating, you can see clear water is there. It is also reducing the bacteria. And also we have coated this oxidized form of the carbon nanotubes in cotton fabric, which was also hydrophilic in nature, and after the addition of the oxidized form, it converted to the hydrophobic, and it was also useful for the oil water separation. It was self cleaning fabric, and we can use it further. So we will be doing this work and working on this area and enhancing the properties of the coated material. We will be making adsorbent, we will be making bandage. As you can see, cotton fabric is very useful for the it is hydrophobic. It will not absorb moisture. It will not absorb it. It will reflect the bacteria. So you can think this is, we can use it as a bandage after doing some research work. So we will be producing a material from the waste, converting into the useful product, and we can generate the wealth by selling it as a filter, as a bandage, and many more products we will be preparing. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you so much for your time.